Enugu State Governor Peter Mbah has flagged off the construction of 90 kilometers of roads in Nkanu West and Nkanu East local government areas. Performing the functions at Omodu Junction in Nkanu West and Orienara Market in Nkanu East local government area, the governor reiterated his commitment to fulfilling his campaign promises. Signature TV correspondent Sina Miriam Kibunam reports.
Over the past few days, Enugu has witnessed several road projects initiated across the state. The residents of Nkanu West and East are also benefiting as the new roads will connect more than 26 communities in the region. Governor Mbah emphasized the importance of good roads in promoting the agricultural potential of these communities.
We have commissioned projects across the various senatorial zones of our state. Road construction, dualization, and the rest of it. And we have flagged up about 90 kilometers of roads and bridge, and of course dualization as well across these various local governments. Today, we are here to again perform this all-important event of the flag off of what you see here. May just be a sign indicating maybe 15 or so kilometers of road. But in actual terms, we're here to flag off the commissioning of about 90 kilometers of roads in both Nkanu East and Nkanu West. And because we cannot go to all the roads one by one because of time, we've only just as symbol stated few of the ones that stand out. And when we execute these projects, or when we flag off and take on these projects, we do not necessarily do them because of any public acclaim or political posturing. It is because what we see is beyond lines of asphalt. What we see is beyond paved roads. We see an economic growth of exponential height. What we're about to witness in our various communities, it's an agricultural renaissance. We're just at the cusp of the agricultural renaissance.
The project's contractor, Hilary Abaratu, expressed his dedication to the project's success.
This project, we are planning that this project will finish. The rains will not meet us in this project, by God's grace. What we are asking for is for your massive support, because your support for the project and for us is your support for the governor. We will ensure quality assurance, and speed will be the actual thing we are going to push. All we are pleading for is your massive support.
Local government chairmen from both Nkanu West and East commended the governor for promoting true democracy in his governance.
All our farmers from this time ongoing, Your Excellency, our farm produce will be disrupted. So everywhere we're coming from village to here to sell our produce. So we really thank you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, how do I start? Couple of days ago, or 2 weeks ago, myself and our councillors, we visited all 14 wards in Enugu State, in the Nkanu West local government. where you are investing 1 point something billion naira per what? Per what? It's unheard of. We've not had such a thing before in our entire life. Your Excellency, this matter is ongoing. That primary health care is ongoing everywhere. Bombs everywhere. Your Excellency, we can't thank you enough. We only say to God be the glory, and God will keep you alive. Your Excellency, today we are not talking politics, because we are here for what we know how to do best. When time comes, Nkanu, people of Nkanu land, and the Nkanu in general, we appreciate you.
Your Excellency, your dream about this road dated even before your swearing in. So we thank you for that. But even at the road, they made up in our budget. There is no way we will be here today to commission this road. So we thank you very much. Your Excellency, this road I know here at least has been more than 100 years in existence. And today, I know for Yoma, I beg on this road. So we thank you very much. Your Excellency, even the people of Nkanu, some years back, if you are inside the town, other senatorial zones, they will call us Nkanu. Your Excellency, we are proud to answer that name. But Imega, I'm one Nkanu Janus. I was night, in the night. I'm very proud of you. Anywhere we are, we talk good.
Other dignitaries present also shared their goodwill.
Technology and efficiency will be applied. The honorable member said that this road has been here for over 100 years. There are so many governors and other leaders, including the white people, the colonial masters, that were there. It's because of the difficulty in doing this road. That's why this road Nakeme Triaka. The contractor himself said that the governor takes the challenge of challenging projects. This is also the evidence. But I would say it takes an extraordinary love for someone to go into such project.
The construction of these roads is expected to significantly impact the communities by enhancing agricultural productivity and fostering economic growth. With improved roadways, farmers will be able to transport their produce more easily to the markets, thereby increasing their income and contributing to the overall economic development of the state. Chinemerem Ikebunam, Signature TV News.